Hello guys, welcome back with another video in Electronic Studio. So today we are going to learn how to use a RTC DS1302 module with the help of Arduino Uno board. So today we are going to learn this thing. So let's get started. So first we have to move to the side, our code side. What I have written here, guys. Here I'm using this one library. This library you will not get inside this our Arduino IDE. It will be available on the external website. Otherwise, I will put on my GitHub page also. There you can download, so guys. Here my GitHub page is also there. Otherwise, I will put in my description box also. There you can able to download. See, this line is also we have to when we are before dumping the code, we have to adjust the time here. Then we have to dump in our code in our Arduino board. Then we have to dump. Then after dumping again, we have to uncomment this line. Then we have to dump it again. Then it will save the time in our module. Otherwise, it will not save in time. So here I am printing only time, means hour, minutes, seconds. I am going to print here. So if you want to print other things also, you can go to the library also. Here you will get the so many examples related to this library. You can refer this thing also. And what are the pins I'm going to use? This is a CLK and data pin and reset pins I'm going to use there. And one more thing I want to show you guys which one module I'm going to use. This one is a module. This one is the battery and one crystal. Some and one main IC is there. This is a DS1302 IC is there. And this is the our code, and I want to show you the what is the circuit diagram of the module with Arduino board. So this is the our circuit diagram. So you can use this thing, so guys. This is a normal this module is working on the digital pins only. There is no I2C SPI different. There is no protocol charge. This is normally GPIO pin based modules. So you can use this, guys, but I want to tell you guys, apart from this module you have to use other module. This one, that one is a more accurate, means RTC DS3231. That one is the more accurate. This DS3 what I'm using here, DS1302 module. This one is a not accurate. After 1 week time will go back few minutes. So for better to use, you have to use DS3231, guys. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for visit Electronics Studio. Before leaving, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.